Hey friends, welcome to VP Streams. So today I'm going to solve an error that generally happens in the Google Search Console, which is for your AMP pages. And the error is custom JavaScript is not allowed. So this video is specifically for those who have selected their hosting with Namecheap and the ECWP, because this is a very specific issue that I'm going to solve here. So if your website is hosted via ECWP, the managed WordPress hosting that is given by Namecheap, then you can proceed with this video. And even for others, if you are having the same error, you might get some hint. So just continue. So here I am in the Google Search Console page, error page. Okay, so this is my error message which says custom JavaScript is not allowed. So if I scroll down a little bit, this is the page that is giving me the error. So when I click on this, okay, so I will be getting the details of this particular error here. So this actually has a script, JavaScript inside this code. So that is why it is giving me the error. So we need to get rid of this. So how it can be done? So to understand that, you should know which particular widget or which particular extension or which particular application inside your website is adding this, injecting this code into your source code. So in case of Namecheap, the reason why I'm saying this is because if you come here, so if you have availed the CDN service, okay, so the Namecheap actually gives you a supersonic free CDN. So this is the particular thing that generally adds script inside your code. So there is no option to disable the particular JavaScript other than by disabling this CDN service itself. So I mean, if you can disable the CDN service, that is the best thing that you can do. Or if you are not comfortable removing your CDN, the only option you might have is to change your CDN provider. Okay, so Supersonic, this is the reason I'm saying this is because I have particularly taken up this with the Namecheap support team, and this is the response that they give. That unfortunately we will be unable to change the performance of Supersonic CDN, and so because that is how Supersonic CDN works. So the only option here is for you to disable your CDN, and if at all you need a CDN, you need to change the service provider. So as soon as you disable your Supersonic CDN, this particular portion of the script that is there in your code will be automatically removed. And once you refresh and once you are done with that, you can go for validation. So I have already given for validation here. So you will be seeing an option to validate your code. So once you are disabled your Supersonic CDN, you need to come here into your Google Search Console and click on validate the fix. So after you have made the fix, what is the fix? Fix is removing your Supersonic CDN. Okay, so that is what you need to do here. And so as I told, that is the only option in case of Namecheap ECWP Supersonic CDN error. Okay, so that's it for this. And if you are facing the same custom JavaScript is not allowed with some other reasons or some other code, the thing you need to do is you need to find which portion of your which application or which extension is injecting that particular script into your website. So that's it with this. Thank you for joining here. I hope this helps you. If not, if you're facing something else, you can just leave it in the comment box and I'll try to address this as soon as possible. Thank you.